Okay, in this segment we're going to cover removing the kick panels, the front kick panels, both the driver and passenger side, and the door pillar panels. The kick panels are held in by one push pin, and it's the same style push pin that we used pulling the carpet off the back of the backrest seat. This one here is broken, so I'm going to go ahead and just pull it out. With the push pin removed, it kind of slides up around the... Oh, we've got a double push pin here, excuse me. I'll get that upper one out. There we go. And the lower one's broken. Just kind of snaps in and it runs up alongside the glove box. You just kind of snap it out with your fingers. There we go. That's the kick panel assembly itself. You see where the two holes are located. That's where the push pins go. One push pin came in or came out fine. The lower one's broken. We can show how to get out a broken push pin. If you grab it with a pair of dikes, you don't want to cut through. You just want to grip it tightly and pull it on back through. And now we can reuse that hole. We just need to replace the pin. On the door pillar assembly, it just snaps over on the outside and held in place with inner snaps down below. So if you grab it and from the outside of the door pillar itself and just kind of pry back with your fingers, they just snap right off very easily. And that's the door pillar cover. Now you want to make sure you lay these out in chronological order because they'll need to go back on in reverse order when we put them back on. I'll just go ahead and pull off the other two on the driver's side and watch our next segment, and we'll cover removing the front half of the console.